Steeped in the finest of premium appointments, this magnificent brand new property is an absolute must to inspect. Hi, my name is Nick Machulik from First National Real Estate at West Ryde, and welcome to 116A Park Road at Rydalmere. Let's take a look around. From the moment that you step inside the property, you'll be thoroughly impressed with the high level of build and finish quality, from the freestanding staircase with a glass balustrade to the full brick ground floor construction. The stylish kitchen features elegant stone bench tops, gas cooking and butler's pantry. The spacious living room blends into a huge alfresco area, fully equipped with an outdoor kitchen overlooking a low maintenance, level rear yard. Upstairs, the property features 4 well-proportioned bedrooms, all with built-ins, including a generous master bedroom with an ensuite showcasing high-end finishes. Thanks for viewing 116A Park Road, Rydalmere. These are only some of the many impressive features of this remarkable new home. I'm Nick Machulik from First National Real Estate West Ryde, and I look forward to seeing you at the next inspection.